The Nighthawk app makes it easy to set up your router and get more out of your Wi-Fi. First, you'll need to download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once connected to your router's local Wi-Fi network, open the app. Log in or create your NETGEAR account if you haven't already. This account gives you access to the latest router features like remote management, Alexa, and Google Assistant voice commands, and more that require cloud access. Keep in mind that this account is different from your router's admin credentials, which are used to securely change and update your router settings. From the app dashboard, you'll see a list of features that your router supports. Device List will let you monitor the devices connected to your network. You can easily pause the internet by clicking on the Pause Resume toggle switch next to the device. To get more information on the device, like which Wi-Fi band it is connected to or IP address, simply tap on the info icon. You can also use the Internet Speed feature in the app to test the internet speed from your service provider to your router. Simply click on Test Speed and start the test. This may take a minute to finish. You can also change your Wi-Fi network names and passwords by clicking on the Wi-Fi Settings tile and the network you'd like to update. Keep in mind, you'll need to reconnect your devices to the new network if you change the Wi-Fi settings. The Guest Network feature is especially useful for when you have guests over and you'd like to give them Wi-Fi access. Setting up a guest network lets you keep your primary network password private and keeps guests from accessing any of your personal connected devices. Select the guest network you'd like to create, set up the Wi-Fi credentials, and click Save. If your router supports Circle with Disney Smart Parental Controls, simply click on the tile and toggle to enable the feature. Circle with Disney allows you to filter online content and limit online time for devices. From the main dashboard, you can view your router's details by clicking on the router image. Here, you'll see your router's model, current firmware version, and more. You can manually check for firmware updates by clicking Check for Updates. Remote management is also a great feature, allowing you to access and control your network from virtually anywhere with internet access. You can pause Wi-Fi for connected devices or even enable a guest network remotely. To set up remote management, if you haven't already, click on the icon in the top left corner. Select Settings, Remote Management, and Enable. You will now be able to see a list of routers associated to your NETGEAR account that you can connect to from anywhere with internet access. Remote management on your router also allows you to set up voice commands using your Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa device. Once enabled, simply link the voice device to your router using the Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant app. Stay tuned for more great features and visit netgear.com/support for the latest information on your router. Thanks for watching.